In this video, we will perform a descriptive analysis for 3 variables. To do that, we need to enable the Data Analysis tool, which will show up in the Data tab once activated. So, go to File, Options, Add-ins, Manage, Go. Check these 2 items and press OK. The Data Analysis tool is now shown here. Click on it and select Descriptive Statistics, then press OK. Select the required range of data from the sheet. If you have labels, check this option, but remember the labels must only be in row 1. You have the option to select where your output will be generated. It can be some cell in the same sheet or new worksheet or even new workbook. We are selecting a cell for the output in the same sheet. Check the Summary Statistics box and press OK. Now, let's do some formatting. Just copy and paste as we are doing, and delete the extra columns. This method of formatting might save you time and effort if you have more than one variable. Now, we are setting the column width to automatic. Formatting our data to make it look better and more visually appealing. And here we go. These are the final results for our descriptive analysis. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.